Hey everybody, my name is Aradhana and today guys, I'm going to be opening this big fidget toy blind bag. So guys, I'm really excited to open this. So here at the back it's written common, which 95% of people can get it. Uncommon, which 80% of people can get it. Rare, which 60% of people can get it. Ultra rare, which 30% of people can get it. Legendary, which 21% of people can get it, and universal, which only 5% of people can get it. And at the bottom, it shows that it costs 60 dirhams. And thank you for ordering. And here it's written fidget toys and a marble machine of pocket. And without further ado, I'm gonna start opening. Oh yeah, really excited, guys, because when I was buying it from the shop, they told that it had 7 surprises. So that's really cool. The first thing I felt here was this. So it's a star, and here a star is shown, and that is a legendary. So guys, I'm really excited to open this, and it looks very long. Guys, I've got this green and orange wacky track. I love wacky tracks, guys, because they're so good. So, one guys, I'm playing with them for some time because I really like them. I mean, I don't know what the other stuff are. So, let's go on to the next blind bag, which is this. So, this shows a pentagon or a hexagon or whatever, and it is a rare. Let's open it. Guys, you got a pea popper. How cute this face is here. I really like this. Now the next blind bag. Oh man, this looks really big, and it's a star, so it's a legendary because I saw it with this one, the wacky track. So guys, I'm really excited to open this because it's really big, and yeah. And I'm also very excited because it's a legendary. Guys, you won't believe it. I got a rainbow popper, guys. It looks so good. Guys, that was the puppet. Now let's move to the next one, which is a diamond, purple diamond. So that is an uncommon. Okay. Guys, I've got these two emojis. They look so cute. One is pink and the other one is yellow. Guys, I love these emojis and they came in so good quality. So in the next blind bag is uh is a teal is a teal circle, and that is a common. Let's see what's that. Guys, I've got this fidget spinner. Looks so cool. I think this lasts for a very spins for a very long time. Okay, so we don't want that to take up too much time. So let's move on to the next blind bag, which is a common. Guys, I got these two marble meshes. So this is a red one and this is a yellow one. It's so good. It's satisfying. And the last nine bag is it has these two wings and it has purple like kind of art lines. And that is universal, guys. I'm super excited. Guys, I've got this blue and purple simple dimple. I think they made it universal because like the noise is like really loud and satisfying. I think you guys can hear it. So guys, now I'm going to be showing all the fidgets I got in the black bag. So guys, I got a simple dimple. I've got a rainbow puppet. This is the other side, the noisy side. Both of these are actually noisy. Then we got the pea popper. The middle one is the one with the face. The other two ones are still really cute because when you pop it out, it looks so cute. They just come out like that. The next one is a marble mash, two of them. Purple one now. Red. Now we got a wacky track. Wacky tracks are so satisfying. Then we got our two emojis, which is pink and yellow. And the last one is the fidget spinner. And I'm gonna not stop this time. Stop it this time. Oh, that's enough. So guys, I'm so happy I got all this because now it adds up to my fidget collection. Okay. Like guys, hope you like, subscribe, like, and share. See you all